Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to compare two of the most anticipated SUVs, the 2024 Tata Harrier and the 2024 Hyundai Creta. Both of these SUVs are expected to undergo some major changes in terms of design, features and performance. So let's find out which one is better and why. First, let's talk about the price. The Tata Harrier is more expensive than the Hyundai Creta with a starting price of 16.5 lakh and a top price of 26 lakh ex-showroom. The Hyundai Creta starts from 12 lakh and goes up to 22 lakh ex-showroom. The Harrier will be more expensive than the Creta, but it will also offer more space and power. Next, let's talk about the engine. The Tata Harrier offers only one engine option, a 2.0 liter diesel engine that produces 170 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque. It also gets a 1.5 liter turbo petrol engine that will produce around 150 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. Both the engines will come with a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission. The Hyundai Creta offers 3 engine option, a 1.5 liter petrol, a 1.4 liter turbo petrol and a 1.5 liter diesel. The petrol engine produces 115 horsepower and 140 horsepower respectively, while the diesel engine produces 115 horsepower. The Creta also offers various transmission options such as 6-speed manual, a CVT, a 7-speed DCT and a 6-speed automatic. Now let's talk about the features. The Tata Harrier comes with the features such as panoramic sunroof, a digital instrument cluster, a wireless charger, a 360-degree camera, a tire pressure monitoring system, an auto dimming IRVM, cruise control, automatic climate control, 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESP, hill hold control, hill descent control, traction control and rear parking sensors with camera. The Hyundai Creta comes with the features such as the rear seat entertainment system, a head-up display, a blind spot monitor and air purifier, wireless charging, ventilated front seats, cruise control, automatic climate control, 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESC, hill start assist, hill hold control, traction control and rear parking sensors with camera. Let's talk about the space. The Tata Harrier is larger than the Hyundai Creta in terms of dimensions with a length of 4600 mm, a width of 1900 mm, a height of 1710 mm and a wheelbase of 2750 mm. The Hyundai Creta has a length of 4310 mm, a width of 1800 mm, a height of 1640 mm and a wheelbase of 2620 mm. The Harrier also has a more boot space than the Creta with 430 liters compared to 420 liters. So which one is better? Well, it depends on your budget and requirements. The Tata Harrier is a more powerful and spacious SUV than the Hyundai Creta, but it also more expensive and less fuel efficient. The Hyundai Creta offers more engine and transmission choices, more features and better mileage than the Tata Harrier. Both of these SUV have their own pros and cons. That's all for today's video. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.